Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a job update from Futures First and the job role is Financial Market Intern and the job location is Hyderabad. Now let's see the requirements of this role. The educational qualification required for this role is you should have a strong academics and degree educated or equivalent for this role. Also, the preferable educational streams are commerce, finance, economics, mathematics, statistics, and engineering. The work experience is not required or applicable. The skill set required for this role is you should numerate and great at math, and you should be a quick thinker, especially under a high pressure. You should be competitive and sharp with deep intelligence, hardworking and passionate and driven to succeed. And also, you need to perform even better under pressure and retain the capacity for dispassionate learning in real time. Also, you should demonstrate the strength of characters like integrity, initiative, judgment, commitment, emotional stability, persistence, and resilience. The duration of this internship is 6 months and the PPO will be offered on the based on the performance at the end of the internship. This internship starts at the Jan of 2025 and the job location is Hyderabad only. This recruitment drive is only open to the candidates graduating in 2025 or those who have already been graduated. Candidates who have participated in the recruitment process within the past year are not eligible to apply. We will provide you the apply link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.